Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ananya and in this video I'm going to show you how to make flaxseed gel at home and how you can apply it on your hair to improve its texture and shine. Flaxseed also helps in hair growth. I applied flaxseed gel on my hair for 7 days straight to see the changes and made this video so that you guys can see what it does too. So stay with me and keep watching. Take 1/4 cup of flax seeds, 2 cups of water and a sieve or a strainer. Now let me show you how to prepare the gel. Pour the water in a container and add the seeds. Now bring it to a boil. Keep stirring so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Boil it for 5 to 7 minutes. You can also boil it for 10 minutes if you want a thicker gel, but it will be messier to separate it from the seeds if the gel gets thicker. So I would suggest that you boil it for 5 to 7 minutes, not more than that. Strain it immediately after you take it down from the heat, or it will be very difficult and messy to sieve the gel. The gel will get thicker after it cools down. You can store it in a container and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 week. It's day 1 and I'm going to comb my hair before applying it. I stay at a very humid place and my hair is very dry and frizzy. My hair is not straightened or treated right now, but I did damage it by coloring it a few times. I'm going to apply the gel from the ends to the root. Applying the gel on your hair is not that messy if you do it carefully, but of course you're going to splatter some of it here and there. Flaxseed gel is good for hair growth because it is a rich source of protein. It also contains vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. It not only helps in hair regrowth, but it also improves the texture of your hair. I'm going to leave it for 1 hour and see what happens. It's day 2 guys, and I haven't seen a lot of changes in my hair after the first application, but it does feel smooth to touch. So let me apply it for the second time and see what happens. I'm done applying, so see you on day 3. It's day 3 guys, and I can really feel that the flaxseed is working. My hair looks less frizzy and much smoother than it was before. I'm going to apply it for the 3rd time today as I'm really liking the results. It's day 4 guys. My hair feels really soft to touch. The scalp is squeaky clean. I'm going to apply it for the 4th time today, but my head is feeling a little heavier, so I'm going to wash my hair with shampoo this time. I have been washing my hair with only water after applying the gel. So this is day 5 and I'm really happy with the results. My hair feels soft and less frizzy, and this is the first time I could notice the shine. You can see the shine and improvement in my hair texture. I have wavy hair and it is really difficult to keep it frizz-free. This gel is helping me a lot, so I'm definitely going to apply it for 7 days. It is getting repetitive to show you the same thing, so I'm going to apply it for 2 more days and show you the results on the final day. So it's the final and 7th day and I'm going to show you the improvement. Noticed a decrease in hair fall and the hair is much more manageable. The hair feels hydrated, smooth and shiny. And you can see it has also straightened my hair a little bit. So overall I'm in love with the results and I'm going to use it regularly for my hair. So if your hair is damaged and you want to do something about it at home, you can use this as a natural remedy. The gel is going to improve the shine, make your hair softer and less frizzy. It's just like a salon treatment at home. I'm really happy with the results and I also want you guys to try it out. If you try this out, let me know in the comments if it worked for you too. Like this video, show some love to this girl and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.